The freezing season in Alaska doesn't wait. Once snow and ice set in, rebuilding becomes almost impossible until spring. Some homes, emergency officials said, were too damaged to ever be lived in again. Many residents had lost their freezers full of fish and moose meat, food meant to last through the long winter. Fuel depots were also damaged, raising fears of pollution that could poison local waters and wildlife. For communities that live off subsistence, the impact was more than physical loss. It threatened their way of life.